Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet and number name with color name. So let's start. Gray color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, purple color, dark green color, black color, sea green color, light green color, peace pink color, yellow color, red color, orange color, blue color, red color. A for apple, orange color. B for banana, yellow color. C for cat, light green color. D for doll, sky blue color. E for egg, brown color. F for frog, blue color. G for grapes, pink color. H for hen, purple color. I for ice cream, red color. J for jug, orange color. K for kangaroo, yellow color. L for lion, light green color. M for mango, sky blue color. N for nest, brown color. O for octopus, blue color. P for peacock, pink color. Q for quilt, purple color. R for rabbit, red color. S for sun, orange color. T for tiger, yellow color. U for unicorn, light green color. V for van, sky blue color. W for wheel, brown color. X for xylophone, Blue color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Pink color. Z. Z for zoo. Purple color. 1. Red color. 2. Orange color. 3. Yellow color. 4. Light green color. 5. Sky blue color. 6. Brown color. 7. Blue color. 8. Pink color. 9. Purple color. 0. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Hello kids, now color name. Purple color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, light green color, pink color, red color, sea green color, gray color, brown color, black color, dark green color, peach pink color, orange color. Sky blue color. 1. Purple color. 2. Sea green color. 3. Number 3. Orange color. 4. Number 4. Pink color. 5. Number 5. Light green color. 6. Number 6. Dark green color. 7. Number 7. Blue color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Number 9. Brown color. 0. Gray color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.